So there's a lot of NFT projects that launch every day, but just in the same vein, there's a lot of NFT projects that fail every single day. Now, there's a couple of things out there that I've seen as an accountant and a financial advisor to a lot of these NFT projects and platforms that I've found that can help you, number one, save your business and help you create a much more sustainable NFT project. So if you're an NFT founder or if you're an NFT platform creator or developer, you're gonna wanna watch this video. Hey, how's it going? My name is Eric and I run a company called 0x Strategy and the CashFlow Doctor. We do accounting and financial services work for some of the biggest NFT celebrities, some of the biggest NFT founders, as well as some of the biggest NFT platforms out there. And it's a great job. I absolutely love what we do. What I found over these last 13 years of being in the accounting space and the last year of being in the NFT space and also being a super heavy NFT degen, like I have way too many JPEGs, is that there's 5 things that I've come to find that NFT founders need to be looking at the moment that they launch or they mint their project. I've seen a lot of projects raise millions of dollars of capital at mint and then slow rug or disappear over time or just collapse and crash and burn because some of these things are not addressed. So if you are an NFT project founder or if you are a platform creator, or maybe you're just an agency that helps or consults other NFT platforms or founders, you're gonna wanna watch this video. So the first thing that you're always gonna want to do, the most primary thing as you get into your mint out process, is you're gonna wanna reiterate and double look at all of your partnership agreements. Now this should be analyzed ahead of time at first, but also when the money comes in, reiterate with everybody. Because what I've always found is, when it comes to money, people sometimes get kind of funny. And that's unfortunately true, especially in the NFT space when you could be talking about millions of dollars coming in at initial mint. You don't want to be in a situation where one of the founders has access to the wallet and then now disappears all the money. I've seen it happen before. Or the NFT founders, now they've raised $2 million and now they're fighting over who gets the money because they didn't reiterate what was happening inside the partnership agreement and caused the entire project to fall apart. Momentum is super important in the NFT world, and you want to make sure that all of your agreements are in place and that everyone is on the same page as you are. The second thing is, as you are minting your project or as you get through mint out, you're going to want to start, or even prior to that, start accounting for your income and your expenses. And this is what we call in the world of accounting, being able to account for everything. You're going to want to use a couple of tools like Gilded.finance and QuickBooks to be able to take all the data from the blockchain and reconcile in a report or format that you can look at and understand. The biggest challenge in this space is a lot of folks, they don't understand the accounting aspect of it, and there's unfortunately a lot of CPAs and accountants that don't understand crypto accounting and they don't get it. And the problem with that is now, as a business owner, how do you make really good business decisions if you don't know where you stand financially? So it's really important to account for your income and expense. The third thing you're going to want to do is important, right? You're going to want to set aside money for taxes. And I get it. Taxes is not a popular topic in the crypto space. However, if you're a business owner and you're operating a business in the United States, taxes is just as inevitable as death. What Ben Franklin says, there's 2 things in life that are guaranteed. They are death and taxes. So you want to make sure you're setting aside some money for taxes. You may want to consider setting in estimated payments to the IRS and your state jurisdictions, or at least have a savings account where you have these tax dollars set up. Some of these mints, they raise so much capital where if you don't prepay some of these taxes, it can trigger large and substantial penalties and fees from the IRS by not prepaying these tax liabilities. So make sure you have a good accounting advisor, make sure you have a good tax advisor to help you determine how much you'd be setting aside for tax. The fourth thing you're going to want to do is important as a business operator is you want to be able to create a budget and a forecast to plan out the rest of the year. Now, budgets and forecasts don't always need to be 100% accurate, and quite oftentimes these aren't totally accurate. But for you as a business owner, it helps you project and understand where your business is going to go. A lot of NFT projects, they crash and burn in 60 to 90 days because they don't build these forecasts. They don't understand that they need to bring on employees, they need to bring on moderators, they need to bring on community members, the developers, all this stuff like that. By not having a budget or a forecast, you're just rolling down the street trying to go to a destination with no map. Maybe you'll get there, or maybe you'll just spin around and end up back to where you started from. So you need a budget and a forecast, or at least an idea of what that looks like. And finally, number 5 is, as you mint out and as you start building your team, you're going to make sure you're formalizing all of your independent contractor agreements and all of your employment agreements. Now, a lot of the information I shared in this video, I don't want to say legal advice because I'm not an attorney. I'm an accountant and we do tax work, right? And also, take all the information I provide purely for informational purposes and go see a professional to advise you on your situation. And if you can't find somebody that understands the crypto space and you're looking for a crypto accountant, holla at your boy, let me know. Again, my name is Eric. We run a company called the CashFlow Doctor and 0x Strategy. We focus on doing crypto accounting and tax strategy for some of the biggest NFT founders and NFT platforms, as well as some of the biggest celebrities out there, including some EDM musicians that we all know and love. Now, I make videos here on YouTube at least once per week for the NFT space and just for the self-development space. I love making videos here. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you have any questions, general questions, pop them in the comment section below. If not, you could always hit me up on Twitter or on Instagram. Shoot me a DM, be happy to answer your questions for you. I make videos here once a week, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.